Hello, mathematicians. Today we are working on Lesson 7-2. We are learning how to show, tell, and write time in hours. Here we have an analog clock and a digital clock. The analog clock has two hands, an hour hand and a minute hand. The hour hand is shorter and slower. The minute hand is longer and faster. To read the time on an analog clock, let's take a look at the hour hand first. The hour hand is pointing to the 2. Let's write 2. The minute hand is pointing to the 12. That means it is an o'clock time. So it is 2 o'clock. On the digital clock, we have a 2 on the hour side. The hour side is on the left or to the left of the two dots or colon. Right side or the minute side of a digital clock, there are two zeros, which means it is an o'clock time. So both clocks are showing 2 o'clock. Please open up to Student Workbook page 313. The directions say to read the clock, write the time on the digital clock. Let's work on exercise 2 together. Let's look at the analog clock. The hour hand is pointing to the 3. We can write in 3 on the hour side of the digital clock. The minute hand is pointing to 12. That means it is an o'clock time. To represent an o'clock time on a digital clock, we can write in 2 zeros on the minute side of the digital clock. Both clocks show 3 o'clock. If you would like, please pause the video and finish working on page 313. If you are ready, please open up to Student Workbook page 314. On exercise 11, we need to draw in the hour hand for the analog clock. To do this, let's take a look at the digital clock. On the hour side of the digital clock, it says 4. So we know that our hour hand should be pointing at the 4. Remember, the hour hand should be shorter than the minute hand. Now, both clocks show 4 o'clock. Let's help Puzzled Penguin. Look at the hour hand Puzzled Penguin drew. His hour hand is pointing to the 9. Is Puzzled Penguin correct? No, he's not. What was Puzzled Penguin's mistake? The digital clock reads 3 o'clock. The hour side of the clock has a 3, so our hour hand on our analog clock should be pointing at the 3. Let's draw that now on this clock over here. Make sure your hour hand is shorter than the minute hand. We helped Puzzled Penguin fix his mistake. Both clocks now say 3 o'clock. Please finish up today's lesson by working on Student Workbook pages 313 and 314. Thank you.